Did Sony just steal the cam link and webcams for some of us? Because Sony just released an app that allows you to use your Sony camera as a plug and play webcam for absolutely free without needing an external capture card. Plus, it supports many of their cameras, and I'll be showing you step by step on how to set it up for your stream or favorite video conferencing app like Google Meet and Zoom. Hey there, it's TZH with Technological Gadgets, bringing you the best in tech and making tech work for you. And on this channel, we do tech gear reviews, tech hauls, and occasional tutorials like this one. And if you like it, make sure you drop a thumbs up as well as subscribe for more awesome tech content like this. Before we do anything, I would like you to check if your camera model corresponds with the camera models being shown right now. Pause the video if you need to. This is very important as the app only works with these camera models, and also make sure you are planning on using it on Windows 10 64-bit as macOS and Linux are currently not supported. After that, turn on your supported camera. I'm using my Sony a6500 here as an example. Go to your menu and on the last tab, go to the page 4 and you should see a USB connection setting. Select that and make sure you set it to PC remote. This is also very important. If you don't do it, your camera will not be detected by the app. Now we can move over to our Windows device you would like to use this camera on. Make sure it is Windows 10 64-bit. Click the link I've included in the description below and you should see a page like this. Scroll down later and you should see a list of supported cameras. Click the camera or cameras you want to be using as a webcam and click download. I'll be selecting my camera model, which is ILCE6500, and then click download. This of course is very important, as Sony states that every camera model is slightly different and needs a different set of drivers to be installed. Very necessary as there are cameras ranging all the way from 2010 to 2020 and from almost every price range and lineup, as you can see from their E-mount, A-mount, and even their digital still cameras and vlogging cameras. After you have downloaded the file, make sure you open it by double clicking and you'll see a screen like this. Just follow all the instructions, but I have downloaded the app so I need not do so. And also don't forget to reboot your PC, which is extremely important. And after that, you basically have the app on your computer. After this, connect your camera to the PC using the included cable that came with your camera. If you can't find that cable, make sure the cable that you are using is compatible with your camera and PC, as well as being able to transfer data. I can't emphasize how important this is, as I was dumb and made a very rookie mistake before. Also, it is always recommended to put it on a tripod like I have it here at eye level and have a decent lighting setup as well. Next, turn on your camera and set your camera to movie mode. If it doesn't work, change the mode to auto. After that, make sure you search up Imaging Edge webcam on the Windows Home right here. The USB reset, make sure you click that. Alright. After that, you just successfully set up your Sony camera as a webcam. Now, before I do a live demonstration on how to use this camera in a video conferencing app like Zoom as well as OBS, I would like to hand the question over to you. What camera are you currently using? Let me know down in the comment section below, and I'm sure to reply to every single one of your comments. There are a few things to note. This app does not handle audio, so please use your personal computer's built-in microphone or an external microphone like I have it right here. Also, make sure your camera has constant power, and if you want, you could invest in a power supply for your camera, which I will link a few in the description below. And most importantly, the output resolution is 1024 pixels by 576 pixels. So it's definitely not as sharp as the Camlink that supports it, that supports 4K, or capture cards that support 720p or even 1080p for that matter. But the colors, ISO and any of the settings will stay exactly the same, only affecting the resolution of the video feed, which is awesome considering it is totally free. And now to what I and many others would like to see improve: an increase in resolution to at least 720p or 1080p. Even better for those cameras that can record in 4K, allow you to run it at that resolution. This would then really kill and eliminate the need for a Camlink or a UVC capture card, at least for Team Sony, and would further encourage people to buy their cameras, which is a pretty good marketing strategy. Or even better, add manual settings like actual webcams so we can tweak them straight from the app and allow us save it, changing to that setting every time we plug in our camera and use it as a webcam. Bottom line then, unless you are a very professional streamer, stream a lot in 4K or crop in a lot where resolution really matters, this app is more than what you need, and this app is more than what you and most people need, and looks incredible, potentially eliminating webcams for those of you who are looking for it, especially in this day and age where they are being price gouged right now. So if you have a supported Sony camera shown, please follow my setup guide and use it as your webcam. Anyways, thank you for staying to the end. Drop a like if you did. Don't forget to subscribe as it means a lot to me for more awesome tech content and I hope to see you real soon.